Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Today I want to share with you a very big bullish setup that the Verasity has completed on the long-term chart, and that is a very big bat formation, the harmonic bullish bat formation on the weekly time frame chart. And I have also defined all the sell and buying targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat. Yesterday I shared all these targets at the Patreon as well, and I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, I'll share all these buying and sell targets with you as well, but first I want to start with this a daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price action was very extremely bullish, but here the price action, when it reached here, it formed this high and higher high and now the lower high, and this was the head and shoulder formation, and then the price action broke down the neckline and moved down here. Now if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, like I'm just going to place the trend line to make it more clear, then here we have a final resistance here at approximately 5.3 cents. Then we have the second resistance here approximately at 4.2 cents. Then we had have the next resistance for the price action that was previously working as a support, that is approximately at 2.6 cents. And now the price action at this time is moving at this support that was breaking as a support here, and now it is breaking as a support here and here as well. That is approximately here at 1.2 cents. And now we can see that the volume is getting decreased. Therefore, there is a possibility that from here we will have a buying volume and the price action can be moved up from here. However, if this support will be broken down, then we have the next support, a minor support here approximately at 0.0067 cents. And let me take you to the smaller time frame chart. Then we can watch this support more clear, that the price action found in the month of March, approximately on 10th or 11th March. And this was the support. Like here you can see that the price action found the next support here in the month of March. That is a minor support, not as that much strong support like we are having right now. Therefore, this support should be saved, and we can see that the price action is struggling at this time to save this support right now at this time. And at the same time, if we take a look at this trend, the newly trend that the price action has formed here, that is the falling wedge pattern. On the daily time frame chart, we have this resistance of the falling wedge, and we also have this support of this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that the price action is moving very well between the resistance and the support of this falling wedge. But here the price action did not move to this support, and from here the price action reversed to the upside, and so far even it did not touch the resistance as well. And now we are also having this support as well. Therefore, there is a possibility that the price action will be moved up. However, if it will be moved down, then you can see that we have the next support at the same level of the falling wedge, where we have this support that I'm telling you that we have a minor support here approximately at 0.007 cents, or not the 7 cents, that is approximately 0.0065 cents. However, I'm expecting that the price action will not break down this support, because on the long-term chart, if we take a look here at this long-term 2-week chart, then the price action is at the support of EMA 21. You can see previously we had a nice bounce here, and the price action is again at this support, but this time you can see that the stochastic is going to enter in the oversold zone. At this time it is very close to the oversold zone. So far it is not oversold. However, soon it will be oversold. Then there will be a strong possibility that the price action will move sideways for some time, and then it will start moving to the upside, because the stochastic is going to enter in the oversold. And remember, this is the stochastic of 2-week chart, therefore it can be a very strong signal. For the safer side, we can wait for the bull cross or buying signal, like when this blue line of the stochastic will cross up this red line, that will be the buying signal. Like previously we received this buying signal here, and the price action then started a very big rally, and we can wait for the buying signal and then we can enter in the trade. But we need to look at the price action where it will be moving at that time. It should be in the buying zone of the bullish bat. For example, this is the very big bullish bat pattern formation on the weekly time frame chart, and we can see that the price action has also very good support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart in the buying zone, and the price action has just entered in this buying zone. This is a really very big buying zone. You can see it's starting from 1.23 cents and ends up to 0.0067 cents, where we have this minor support and this support of the falling wedge as well. Therefore, we can set this 50 simple moving average. If you're going to buy it here somewhere, and you can set this 50 simple moving average as your stop loss in order to minimize your risk factor. However, I would again suggest to wait for the buying signal by the 2 weeks stochastic. That will be the safest way to enter in this trade. However, it can be a very big move from here, because you can see that the sell targets are minimum starting from 2.55 cents and ending up to 4.5 cents. These are the sell targets I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the harmonic bullish bat pattern, and this pattern has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. Therefore, it is a long-term trade. We should be very careful to enter in the trade. Wait for some buying signals. You can also use some set of indicators of yours as well. And there is also another possibility that if the price action will be moved more down, like we had a long spike here on the weekly time frame chart, then the price action can again retest this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, because this is really very strong support, the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, and from here it can be reversed. Therefore, we can also wait for the price action to hit the 50 simple moving average as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then you can also follow the link I've shared in the video's description. You can find there. And to trade VRA, in my point of view, the best exchange is KuCoin. And if you don't have account there, then I've also shared my link in the video's description, my referral to join KuCoin. That will be the best place to buy and sell VRA. Take care. Goodbye.